In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to archive a discount in Fresha's dashboard efficiently. Archiving a discount can be a useful tool if you no longer wish to offer certain deals to your clients, but want to keep your dashboard tidy and organized. Let's dive right in. First, you'll need to log into your Fresha dashboard. This is the main hub where you manage all the essential aspects of your business. Once you're in, direct your attention to the menu on the left-hand side. You'll notice several options listed there, designed to help you navigate through different functions with ease. Among these options, look for the one labeled Marketing. It's represented by a megaphone icon, making it easier to spot. Clicking on this icon will take you to the Marketing section of the dashboard. In the Marketing section, you'll find a variety of tools designed to help promote your business and engage with clients. Our focus today is on Deals, so you'll want to locate the Deals option listed under Promotion on the left side of your screen. Go ahead and click on Deals. Doing so will display the list of all current discounts you have in place. It's essentially a comprehensive overview of the promotions you're running, allowing you to manage and edit them as necessary. Scan through this list carefully and identify the specific discount you wish to archive. Each discount has a small menu icon comprised of 3 dots located on the far right side. When you hover over these dots, you'll be given a list of actions you can take. Select the option labeled Archive. Archiving means that the discount will be removed from active use but still accessible for record-keeping purposes in your dashboard's archive. Once you've clicked Archive, a new prompt will appear, asking you to confirm your decision. Here, it's absolutely critical to remember that once a discount is archived, it cannot be reactivated or used again in the future. So make sure you're certain about your decision before proceeding with this action. If you're sure, go ahead and choose Archive again to confirm the final step. And that's it. You've successfully archived a discount in Fresha. While this process ensures a cleaner, more organized promotional list, it's important to keep in mind the permanence of archiving. Always double-check to ensure the correct discount is selected before you confirm. We hope this step-by-step guide makes managing your promotions on Fresha more straightforward, freeing up time for you to focus on growing your business. Thanks for watching, and we hope you found this tutorial